Hello everyone, Katka here. Today's major tip for bettering or improving your relationships is to change your predominant emotion around that person. Your predominant emotion is the immediate emotion that comes up or the immediate thoughts that come up when you think of that person. Now, this could be anybody. This could be your mother-in-law. This could be your children. This could be your brother. This could be your father. This could be your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. The immediate emotion that comes up shows you where your predominant emotion is. Now, if the immediate emotion comes up is a negative one, then that is how they're going to end up showing up in your life, because we walk into the world as a vibration and as a vibration only. It's not just what we say, it's not what we do, it's how we vibrate in the world. It's how we vibrate in relation to that person. And by vibrate, I mean it's our emotions in relation to that person. So if you change our emotions in relation to that person, the way that they appear in our lives will completely change. This is not just words coming out of, the air. It is something that we've seen so many times, where either your bullies disappear from your life or they completely change their behavior towards you. Now, how do we change our predominant emotion towards anybody? There are two things you do. Both require some amount of work. Okay, so this isn't overnight. This is something you will need to work on. But this is my job, right? In 2 minutes, I can share this much, but I want you to practice what you learn here. So the two things that you do is, first, you must learn to understand the person as opposed to just seeing them as the negative, villainous role that they play, the perpetrators of pain in your life. You must understand them, and truly to understand them, you must get into their own mind, into their own psyche, understand their conditioning, their childhood, to figure out why they behave the way that they behave and why they say the things that they say. This takes a little bit of work, okay? This comes under like trauma healing and therapy work, but to understand them is very important. Once you understand them, you'll realize it has their negative behavior towards you has nothing to do with you. They don't even know you. They can't even see you. They can only see their version of you, which their version of you has to do with their childhood and how they learn to perceive reality. So you're quite scot-free from that. Once you understand that, your vibration towards them will change into more understanding and empathy. After that, you can then shift your vibration towards them by appreciating them and looking for the sides of them or the good in them, or dropping your resistance to them in some form, that your emotions towards them becomes a lot more neutral or a lot more positive. Once that happens, once the emotion around them changes, you will notice that they appear to you completely different. You will no longer react to them as a victim because you understand them. And secondly, because you're producing better emotions towards them, that vibration that you're creating is going to mirror off from them, because they're just a reflection of our emotions. It's going to mirror off from them as much better behavior than you anticipated before. This is the magic of shifting your energy, because I'll remind you again, we only walk into the world as a vibration, not what we say, not what we do. So you could be Mother Teresa, doing the best of the best of the best, be saying the best things, pleasing them, doing whatever, but they'll still disrespect you because it's your vibration in relation to them. Shift your vibration. If you want to know how to do this, I want to share a long story, not that long, but pretty long story. Actually, I won't even say pretty long. It's about moderately long story of my experiences in bettering my relationships. It's I can't share it in like a short video, but I am going to share it in my Fire Method Masterclass. You would have heard me say it 1000 times already, but this is the masterclass. Many people have said that I might as well have charged for that class. It was as good as a paid class, but given for free. Every once or maybe once in 2 years or once a year or so, we come up with this one class that we give out for free, which have the best teachings in it, and the best stories and the best realizations put in one place. For this year, it is the Fire Method Masterclass. Don't miss it, because this is 5 steps that you can do in order to create smoothness in every area of your life. So even if you're just struggling, by the way, the sun just set. So let me just show you. So even if you have perfection in every area of your life except your relationships, this session is still going to work for you. If you have other areas of your life to smoothen, this session is going to work for you. So if you haven't registered, please register. We're doing it again, so don't miss it, because that's it. Okay, if you at any point feel that the words that I'm saying is powerful for you and you're recognizing some truth in it, come study further. It's 2.5 hours. It's about 3-hour class. Don't miss it. I'll see you. 5 method, register, and of course I'm going to make few more videos on this topic, on the 1 tip topics, and I hope that you find it valuable. I love you. If you found it valuable, please let me know in the comments what you thought, and share this video with others. Subscribe to this channel. I love you. I appreciate you. You guys are family, and I'll keep coming on here to send you as much vibes as possible, so you guys have the right things to take in order to create wonderful lives. See you soon.